Good morning, guys. Here in the vlog, it's Monday. I had a long weekend working. I'm just hanging out with my daughter, and we're going to head out, and we are going to make cupcakes. So we've got to go get some stuff, and we're gonna have some friends come over. Yay!
And we're gonna buy a key box, a money box.
Yes, she wants a little lockbox, so we're gonna be looking for one of those also.
Yeah.
See you in the cup. Hi guys. So we're here at home. It is like 10 after 5, and it is storming like crazy out there. Like, they're talking severe thunderstorms, 90-kilometer winds, all like, yeah. We haven't seen one of these in a long time. I hope you can see that. The sky is just rumbling, and it is just pouring. Like, oh my goodness.
Wow.
It's flash floods and everything, possibly hail. It is unreal.
Wow, I'm gonna go for a ride on my e-bike after this.
You know what?
You're gonna get soaked.
I don't care.
This is amazing. I love it. Ah! There goes our power.
No?
It flashed for a second. Everything shut off for a second. Oh my gosh, this is unreal. Oh, there's
your alarm's going off.
That's so funny. The girl, she drives an e-bike, Peggy, and her bike is going off.
Power again.
Yeah.
Everyone, the light turned off.
Your bike's battery isn't out, right, Jeff?
No, it's not plugged in.
Guess what, Daddy? I saw the light just.
So crazy. Yeah, we never get storms like this, so it's kind of entertaining, and we really don't get much rain. Like, last summer was super hot, and this summer it's been kind of rainy, and this is definitely a good storm.
Woohoo!
I'll catch up with you guys in a minute.
And
we have hail! We have little balls of hail flying.
Nothing.
Oh my goodness, I have seen bigger. I've seen like big ones.
Golf ball size?
These are just like little baby pebbles. But yeah, it's hailing. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Little baby hail. I'm getting my camera wet.
Wow, it got real cold real fast.
Yeah, it did, eh?
Yeah. That's not a good
I got the
thing.
cat.
It is still raining. It is just coming down. It is flooding, so there's definitely going to be flooding around the city for sure.
Whoa.
That was loud, but we heard
right
louder.
This storm is right above our head. We are sitting on top.
Stacy left at just left like 10 minutes ago before this all started coming down. Oh! We're pretty sure we're seeing like rain funnels. Because the wind is so bad right now, you're seeing rain funnels. OMG. Yeah. We need to put like an umbrella at the door here.
You know why?
Oh my goodness. This is unreal. You can see my camera, the camera I vlog on in the mirror here, or the window. This is unreal, but I'm loving it.
I see.
You can see outside. That's what we're looking at with the camera.
Oh.
This is incredible.
Open the door a bit so you can still hear.
They calmed down there now.
Yeah, well, you could see the rain coming off the top balcony. It was coming like straight in the apartment.
Yeah. That wind is howling.
That wind is angry. Well, you can see the water like sliding across the ground.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna call Stacy in a minute. Make sure she made it home. This is so cool.
Look at how deep his boat is in the water in the parking lot there.
Yeah, his water, like you can't see the trailer hitch on the front.
That's usually like 3-4 inches off the ground, that trailer, the top of the hitch.
Oh, I can't move in on my thing. I think it's like calming down like dramatically.
Eye of the storm. She's big enough to have an eye, I think. So this would be the eye of the storm. You see those trees over there? Look at those trees over there, how they're pushing. The wind is whipping that way, but yet over here it's whipping that way because of the building. That's what's great, and you can see the sheets of rain going that way.
Yeah.
That's here it comes again. It's gonna get stronger.
Oh!
Again. It's getting stronger again because we just went through, I think, the eye.
Oh, this guy totally waited. He did not want to get wet. No, he's like.
Bud.
Run before you get hurt. By tornado.
Buddy's boat, his wheel is definitely, and his trailer front hitch is definitely in the water. For sure. Oh, we hear cop sirens. There's probably been some pretty good accidents. Oh, and it got cold. Like, it was super hot today.
Hot, and now it's cold out.
It was unreal hot today.
That's crazy how much it cooled down, eh? It was, that's bad sign. Is this the storm apocalypse? Is it here?
It is like flooded out here. Look at this van. It is flooded. My ankles are in water. Like, it is not leaking and I can barely stop. It is wet. Oh my god.
Water warm?
Yes, the water is warm.
The asphalt being so hot.
Oh Lord, that was so crazy. Hi guys, back at the vlog. So literally like 10 minutes ago, it was like stormy out here, and look, you can still hear the sky.
But that's okay.
It's still like raining, I think, unless that's just all the rain up there I see falling off all the trees. It's still flooded in the parking lot there, but like we are literally almost getting sun, except for we still have a gray sky. So I'm just gonna step out here. I don't want to get my camera like soaked. Yep. That is unreal. That was awesome though. I wished it rained more. Like, that was getting so good, but that was so good for like 10 minutes. I was enjoying that. Like I said, we don't really get a whole lot of storms, so yeah. Pretty intense out here, right? Now, well, it was, but now it's just clearing up. I know I'm not very stable with this, and I figure we should probably see a rainbow soon. A nice big one after that storm for sure. Well, we'll keep in touch. We'll see if it changes. It looks like it's moving pretty fast, so yeah, I figure it's the other south side getting towards the lake, Ontario Lake. And yeah, so it's leaving us, I think. So we'll see. You can still hear the sky. Still angry. But yeah, that was pretty intense while it lasted. This guy almost had enough water for going on a boat trip here in the parking lot. And yeah, now we're just listening to the